Can you believe we are just 1 week away from my day, Mother's Day?
That's right, your day. Kurt's got some of the best tech gifts for mom, which will last much longer than flowers.
Can we just say we got?
Yes. We've got the goods.
And it lasts longer than flowers. I love that.
Right? 2 weeks. Mom's flowers are forgotten. She loves them. Don't have to give them up.
No.
But wouldn't you rather have something that lasts all year long?
So what do we have?
Number one thing here, Will, The Price is Right, straight up, shell game, revealing the Pixie Smart Baby Monitor for a new mom. This is absolutely, of all baby monitors I've tested through the years, the number one. It has smart detection inside of it that can tell the expression of your child's face. It could also tell when the baby's crying, let you know, and then it'll play through the smart music box a melody or lullaby that helps the child not cry anymore. It also has a really cool area detection. So you could set it, say, for example, on the crib, and if somebody comes in that zone, or if the baby leaves that zone, it warns you right away. It is a brilliant, brilliant innovation, and so happy to see this come with bank-level encryption, so we're not screwing around with people getting into your house.
Absolutely.
All right, jump into this. The number one digital frame on the market. This is called the Aura frame. Have you seen this one? I don't know what's showing right now. So mom can put this way because you will send mom, Will.
Yeah, of course.
You're tracking this. You'll send mom a photo anytime you want. It shows up on her frame, and then she can go like this and see what's on the frame.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
When it's on.
And then it will scroll naturally as you go through.
Yeah, and then we jump to this. This is amazing. So this was just announced on Thursday. So we've seen the wrist cam before, and this is an amazing way to add a camera, well, 2 cameras, to an Apple Watch. So if mom has an Apple Watch, you add this to it, and the wrist cam now allows you to do live video calls. And then a really cool feature is coming later this year called Wrist Cam Protect. And what it does is mom could utter a word, a safe word, to call for help. And then also what she could do is that video will be sent to everybody in the family on her emergency list. So we'll see what's going on with mom and offer some help. Revealing this one right here, again, you could do flowers, or exclusive to us, and only for a limited time, is we rated all the best antivirus software, and this is for every device, whether you have Android, whether you have an iPhone, whether you have a PC or a Mac. This fits everything. It's called Total AV. Instead of it being $119 for Mother's Day, first year, $14.95. If you go to CyberGuy, it's the only way to get the deal.
I have to have you get to this. Because this is my favorite one.
Yeah.
Because I lost my keys, and it cost my daughter lost my keys. It cost $300.
Let's not blame family members. How smart is this? $29. It's the AirTag. We all know about it, but we haven't thought. Let's take mom's old keys, give it a makeover, do the key ring. Key ring part, this is leather, is about $35, $39. But you get it as cheap as $9. They're all over Amazon. But just a genius idea. At CyberGuy.com is where you'll find all of these. And Will, what are you thinking?
I'm thinking that Fox and Friends goes remote from now on. We're not broadcasting from home. We're broadcasting from wherever we are. There's the camera. There's our shot of you.
And by the way, the keys were behind the bread box.
I've got a gift for mom this year. This is the gift right here.